I'm using an NXT robot, and it's plugged into these motors right here, and a sensor. And the light sensor measures the brightness of this bulb in lux, and then it starts plotting it on here, as you can see. And then once I have all of that, I write down the data, and I make sure with this little graph I have, and I write down how many lux it uses. And then I write it all down on this table I have. And then I do each test 3 times, and I have 12 bulbs.
Very good.
And then while it's using a bulb, I write down how many watts it uses, which appears here. And then this is how many it uses over time, but this is instant. And then with that, I write down all of my data in here, and then I put in the price. I put in how many watts it uses. I put in how many savings it has, and how bright it is. And since the bulb in the box, it uses lumens, I have to convert the lux into lumens. And then once I have that converted, I can do the math and figure out the value.
So what does this graph mean? How from here can you figure out?
Well, I have this little piece of paper that has a bunch of numbers on it, and I put it up to here, and you can see like this screen mark right here. That's where I measured one time, and I measure, and it has a number, and it tells me how many lux it is.
Oh, okay. So you just match it up to a standard that's available out there. Okay.
I would match it up to the average. For example, since this one's going up and down constantly, the average would be around here in the middle. So then once I do that, that's how I get my average. And this is only the demo, and it only does it, instead of doing it every 15 minutes, it does it for 2 minutes. And the normal one runs for 15 minutes by itself, and every minute it draws its own scale line.
Show us what happens when you cover the light.
And I cover the light.
The reading goes down.
Ah, okay.
And then when you
Remove it so it's just, yeah, okay.
Good job, Sebastian.
Oh, very nice, yeah.